I'm reminded how nicely Srila Prabhupada described that if you want to know Krishna, if you want to love Krishna, then you must know and love those whom Krishna loves. Otherwise it's not possible. My dear Lord Krishna, I love you, but if you would just get rid of those cows so I could have you on Fifth Avenue. You see, these are all concoctions. If you want Krishna, then you have to also have his cows and his cowherd boys and his cowherd girls and his mother and his father and his uncles and his aunties and his grandmother, Purnamasi, everyone. So Krishna is a person, so he has likes and he has dislikes. He doesn't like anyone to suffer. He doesn't like his devotee, especially to be put in difficulty. This is his dislike. He doesn't like that. Therefore, he has come down to give his mercy to his devotees who are feeling separation of his lotus feet. Therefore, he mitigates the anxiety of the pious people, the devotees, by arranging to have the demonic influence diminished. The Lord has likes. He likes his particular dress. He likes his flute. He loves his flute, which is non-different. All these things in the absolute world are non-different. But some things take the position of paraphernalia, of associates, of eternal servitors, his holy name, his holy form, and he also has a place which he likes. He likes a particular place. I have not understood that yet. Although everyone likes to say that Jayapataka Swami has been living in the holy Dham, that is by body alone. The glories of the holy Dham are not something that simply by living there even one can understand very easily. It can only be understood what is the glories of the holy name, fame, Dham, Leela, Roop of the Lord only by a very special mercy of Krishna and his pure devotees. How the Lord has a deep love for a particular place, and how that place is not part of the material world but is expanded by his internal potency. It's a very difficult matter to understand. That actually wherever the devotee goes, he recreates that place. The Dham is not limited. Although it is situated, fixed up in one particular place in the world, at the same time it's all pervasive. Just like Krishna. Because wherever Krishna is, there's his Dham. There's his name, there's his form, there's his pastimes, there's his devotees. So when one brings Krishna in his heart, there also comes the holy place. When one brings Krishna in his home, there also the Dham is manifesting. As much as one has his devotion, so much will Krishna and his holy paraphernalia, Roop, Nam, Dham, manifest. So everything has a transcendental relationship.